Ancient Indian history is a fascinating tale of evolution, cultural fusion, and resilience that shaped one of the world's oldest civilizations. It is through this study that we understand how early communities developed agriculture, creating a foundation for settled life, security, and economic growth. From clearing forests to establishing villages and cities, ancient Indians built thriving societies based on ingenuity and resourcefulness. Writing became a defining feature of civilization, connecting modern languages and scripts to their ancient roots and ensuring knowledge was passed down through generations. One of the most remarkable aspects of Indian history is its ability to absorb and blend diverse influences. Over centuries, ethnic groups such as Pre-Aryans, Indo-Aryans, Greeks, Scythians, Hunas and Turks made India their home, each contributing to the rich tapestry of its social systems, art, architecture and literature. Vedic and Sanskrit culture of the north are merged with Aryan elements and Pre-Aryan traditions merged with Dravidian and Tamil culture of the south. Similarly, many Pali and Sanskrit terms signifying the ideas and institutions developed in the Gangetic Plain appear in the earlier text called Sangam literature. The eastern region inhabited by the Pre-Aryan tribals made its own contribution. The people of this area spoke Munda or Kolerian languages, while Munda and Indo-Aryan languages intertwined, demonstrating deep-seated cultural synthesis. Region played a fundamental role in shaping the identity of the nation. India witnessed the birth and transformation of Hinduism, Jainism, and Buddhism, with each influencing and interacting with the others, forming a shared cultural consciousness despite religious differences. The idea of unity was an integral part of ancient Indian thought. The name Bharatavarsha or the land of Bharata was given to the whole country after the name of an ancient tribe called Bharatas, and people were called Bharata Santati or descendants of Bharata. The kings who unified large territories such as Ashoka in the 3rd century BCE and Samudragupta in the 4th century CE were hailed as Chakravartins, the universal rulers who embodied the dream of an united India. Foreigners recognized the unity as well, naming the land after the Sindhu or Indus River, which eventually led to the modern term India. Language served as a binding force for communication and governance. In the 3rd century BCE, Prakrit became the lingua franca used widely in official inscriptions including Ashoka's edicts. Later, Sanskrit emerged as the dominant language, influencing administration and scholarship across India, especially during Gupta period. Epics such as Ramayana and Mahabharata transcended linguistic boundaries, becoming revered texts across different regions and evolving into various local languages without losing their fundamental themes. The Varna caste system, which originated in the northern India, eventually spread across country, shaping social interactions and traditions. Even religious converts, including followers of Christianity and Islam, retained elements of caste practices, demonstrating the enduring nature of these societal divisions. Ancient Indian history is more important than a sequence of events. It highlights how people across regions and time periods contributed to a shared civilization, reinforcing the idea of unity amidst diversity. By studying this rich history, we gain insight into the foundations that continue to influence India's social, linguistic, and cultural landscape today. So, I hope you like this video, and we'll be back with another video on Ancient India Chapter 2 of NCERT Class 11. Until then, please like, share, and subscribe.